In this video, I'm going to show you how to see one other viewers on Facebook story. So if you're on Facebook and you post your story and you see this one viewer, it should tell you basically here who that viewer was. And if it doesn't tell you, what you can do is open up your story, click on the top right, then click on edit story privacy, and then potentially if it's only custom to the people who you want to show, or you muted, or you've hidden from somebody, make sure that you put it on public or friends. And once that is done, just refresh the app, go here, and you can see, you will be able to see who has viewed your story. You can also refresh it this way, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.